work I have been familiar with from the time we started, as I have been with Vidya's. And it is said the most beautiful women in the world inspire the most talented, gifted artists throughout history. That's been the way it is. So whether it's Mona Lisa or it's Marilyn Monroe, who inspired Vivek with the whole pop art movement, we are so lucky that we have Vidya with us, who is a living icon and a living legend, whose images we are seeing in this gallery today in a role that is likely to be one of the most defining roles in the history of Indian cinema. That is, of course, Vidya in The Dirty Picture. And it's a role that many actresses would like to emulate in future, and that's what inspiration is about. And we are very, very proud of you, Vidya.
I'm extremely humbled that you actually base these works on my images from The Dirty Picture. I don't think there could have been a better compliment. So thank you very much. They're all very beautiful. And what's interesting is that you've used so many different colors, and each one, I think, therefore brings out another facet of the same mood, if that were possible.
Me as an artist, what really inspired me about Vidya was, I feel that Vidya, being the powerful actor she is, induces the experience of all her emotions within us, and which is why we love her. Which is why we love her in every, work, whatever she is showing on the screen. It's just like she really gets into the character. I think very few people have it. So it's just a very spontaneous thing which happened. I mean, after seeing the picture, I got connected. I could see that I think no other person would have given justice to Silk what Vidya did.
मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था, और मैं अपने आप को बहुत ही खुशनसीब समझती हूँ कि इस दौर में मैं सिनेमा में काम कर रही हूँ, इस तरह का काम करने का मुझे मौका मिल रहा है, और इतना प्यार, इतनी प्रशंसा मिल रही है मेरे काम को, जिसके वजह से ये भी प्रेरित हुए और इन्होंने किया है। इससे बढ़िया मेरे लिए और क्या हो सकता था कि किसी ने मुझे हमेशा के लिए इस तरह से मेरा एक पोर्ट्रेट बनाया है।